Good morning, Year 2. How are you doing today? And happy Friday or Friday. Well done that you've made it to the end of another week of home learning. I'm super proud of you because I can see how hard you're working at home. Fantastic. Give yourselves a pat on the back. So today for maths, we've been thinking about time, haven't we, for the last week or so? And I want to think about what time we do things during the day and the daily routine. So you're going to be following a lesson on the Oak Academy about daily routine. So let's just have a think about what time you do things, particularly at the moment while we're at home in lockdown doing home learning. So the first thing you need to think about is what time do you wake up in the morning? So lots of you said you might wake up at 7 o'clock. So I would show 7 o'clock like this on my clock and I can write it in digital time. So you might say I get up at 7 o'clock, and the next thing might be once you're up and dressed you might have your breakfast. I think breakfast time might be at 10 past 8. So my hour hand is just past the 8 and it's gone 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So how would I write 10 past 8 in digital time? Can you have a go at telling the adult with you? I would write 8:10. So I have breakfast at 10 past 8. Now, the next thing you'll do is you'll be getting on your computer ready to start the day. So at 8:45 or 8:45 is when we log on, don't we, for the register. So I would say 8:45 or 8:45 is the register and starting your work. Then you would do your work at about 10:30. You'd be doing your maths work. So I'm going to make 10:30 on my analog clock. How would I say 10:30 in digital time? Do you remember? How many minutes past 10 is it? That's right, it would be 10:30, 30 minutes past 10 when you're doing your maths work. And after you've done lots of work in the morning, it will be time for lunch. So normally we have our lunch about 12:30. So I have to make sure my hour hand has gone halfway between the 12 and the 1. 12:30. How can we say 12:30 in digital? We would say 12:30. Fantastic. Then on a Friday, we have celebration assembly. Do you remember what time celebration assembly is at in the afternoon? It is at 2 o'clock on a Friday. How would I write 2 o'clock? Do you remember with o'clock, it's 0 minutes past the hour, isn't it? So I would say 2:00, 2 o'clock. Fantastic. And then at 2:40, we have our connect time or our story time. So I would show 2:40 like that on my clock. 40 minutes past 2, 2:40 or 20 to 3. Then, after you've finished all your work online for the day, maybe at about 5 o'clock, it might be time, or let's say 5:15, 5:15, maybe you might watch a little bit of TV. So let's say 5:15 in the evening, you might watch a little bit of TV. And then maybe you have your dinner. Let's say dinner time might be about 6 o'clock. So let's write 6 o'clock in digital time. 6:00. And then you can think, what's the last thing you do? The last thing you would do in the day is you would go to bed. So that might be about 8 o'clock. when it's bedtime. So I would say 8 o'clock in digital is 8, 0, 0. So I want you to think really carefully about what time you have done things today in your daily routine, or what you normally do at home. So what time would you get up, have your breakfast, start your work, have your lunch? What time might you play or watch a bit of TV? What time would you go to bed? Hopefully not too late so you get a good night's sleep. So that is what we're going to do today for your maths. I'd love to see your daily routine. You could draw it out for me and show me what you do during the day and what time you do it. And it's a really good way of practicing all those times that we've been doing, the quarter past, quarter to, 10 past, 20 past. Really good. So year 2, have a great day. I will see you this afternoon for our Connect time. And don't forget, today is show and tell, so you can bring an object with you and be ready with some things to tell us about at 2:40 p.m. after our celebration assembly, which is at 2 o'clock. Have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye.